Today, I'm going to give you a detailed overview of tables. You will see how fields are used in Advantech's WebAccess DMP platform, how we can configure them and use those fields for monitoring. And last but not least, we are going to go over how to use action buttons. Again, my name is Michelle Holtman and I am an application engineer here at Advantech. Let's get started. As we discussed in our previous video, the table contains a list of devices and information regarding those devices. The great thing about WebAccess DMP is you decide what information or fields are important to you. You can do this by adding or removing information from the table. To do this, navigate to the right panel, click on Edit View, and then click on Table. Here you will find a list of available fields for your company. If you would like to hide a field, just click on the I next to the field. You can also add a field to your table as well. Just scroll down the list to locate the field you would like and click on the I. For example, let's say that I would like to add device ID to show in my table. I just click on the I here next to device ID. As you can see, it moved up in the list and the I is now blue. Let's now click on the red Save button. As you can see, the save was successful, it's loading, and there we go, the device information is listed right there. Not only can we add or remove fields from your view, you can also configure them. Configurable fields are fields that can be modified by you, the user. For example, say I would like to change the name of one of my routers from Desk Network to Work Ottawa. To do that, I would just click on the Edit button listed over here to the right in the Action Buttons area. And as you can see, the name field at the beginning of the row became editable. So I'm just going to delete the information that's listed there, change that to work_Ottawa since I am located in Ottawa, Illinois. Then I'm going to go back over to the right and click that floppy disk button there to save the field information. Now, you can see here that the save was successful and the field has been updated. Also, you can see here it is now listed at the bottom because I had the fields sorted alphabetically. I hope you have found this video informative. If so, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see upcoming videos. Thank you so much and make it a great day.